Anong halos lahat tayo, kinakanta ang mga kababayan ko ni Francis M. O hindi kaya, isinasayaw ang K-pop hit na Nobody at ang Teach Me How to Doggy. Ngayon naman, isa pang kanta ang lumikha ng sobrang ingay sa buong mundo, ang Call Me Maybe.
I true wish in a well. Don't ask me, I never tell. I look to you as I fell, and now you're in my brain.
Bawat henerasyon may kantang parang nagiging national anthem. Lahat tayo nakikisabay, nakikisayaw.
Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number,
So call me maybe. Hey, I just need you, and this is crazy. But the first number, you can call me baby.
Mula sa international celebrity katulad ni Katy Perry, ang Harvard baseball team, Miami cheerleaders, pati na ang Abercrombie male models.
I love you back.
At si Presidente Barack Obama.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy.
Lahat nakikiuso.
So call me maybe.
it's hard to look right at your baby.
Kaya naman marami sa atin na LSS o Last Song Syndrome ng Call Me Maybe.
But here's my number, so call me maybe. Boy, you can't
Number 1 ngayon sa Billboard Hot 100 sa Amerika ang kantang Call Me Maybe ng dating Canadian Idol third placer na si Carly Rae Jepsen.
call me maybe.
Mismong si Carly Rae raw at ang kaibigan niyang si Tavish Crow ang nagsulat ng kantang ito.
At first sight,
Kuwento ito ng isang babaeng may natipuhang lalaki kaya ibinigay niya ang kanyang telephone number para sana tawagan siya.
so call me maybe. I threw a wish in the well.
Nung narinig ito ng magkasintahang Justin Bieber at Selena Gomez, agad silang napainda at gumawa ng sariling bersyon na kanilang ini-upload sa YouTube.
It's hard to look right.
At dahil sa lakas ng believers o yung diehard fans ni Justin Bieber, dito na tuluyang umarangkada ang Call Me Maybe mania.
So call me maybe.
Meron tayong tatawag kasi sa brain natin na yung amygdala, yun yung emotional memory bank. Ibig sabihin, kung may kahulugan sa'yo na emotional, yung naririnig mo, nakikita mo, papasok yun dun sa amygdala, mas mariretain mo yon. Ang tendency ay ulit-ulitin mo sa mind mo na, yun nga, call me maybe. Yung term na ginagamit, the earworm, parang nandyan na sa tenga mo na paulit-ulit.
Threw a wish in the well.
Siyempre, sa ganyang mga paandar, on call lagi tayong mga Pilipino.
Hey, I just met you.
Now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish.
Katunayan, bilang bahagi ng kanilang training, isang opisina sa Makati ang ginamit ang kantang ito sa kanilang flash mob na may 600 na katao.
Right at your baby. But here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe.
Ang magbabarkada namang ito, gumawa pa ng skit.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe.
Meron pang nagpakitang gilas bilang isang orchestra.
Where you think you're going, baby? Hey,
Ang Philippine It Girls naman na sina Solen Yusaf, Isabel Daza, si Georgina Wilson, Liz Uy,
call me maybe.
at si Ann Curtis.
Hey, I just met you.
Kulitan with Friends ang kanilang gimmick.
Here's my number, so call me maybe.
At dahil ginagawan na rin lang namin ng feature ang hit song na ito, nakisali na ako.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe.
Ang tagal ng script ni Jack. Naku naman. Jack, call me maybe ha, yung script mo.
Ang YouTube sensation at dati ring Canadian Idol finalist na si Mikey Bustos. Gamit ang kanyang trademark na Pinoy accent, bumirit at humataw rin ng kanyang sariling bersyon.
I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I look to you as it fell, but now you're in my way. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby. But here's my number, so call me maybe.
When I was small, my parents taught me English, and they had a very thick accent like this. And so, as kids, me, my brother, and all my cousins, we spoke with a Filipino accent while we spoke English.
Sa restaurant na ito sa Pasay City, pampagana sa kanilang mga customer ang version ng kanilang singing cooks and waiters. May sarili silang choreography at ang ilang mga customer nakisawsaw rin.
So call me maybe, all you came into my life. I miss you so bad, and you should know that I miss you so, so bad.
I was so nice dancing, very enjoy.
Amazing.
Very fantastic and interesting.
Craze ngayon yung kanta. So, in-inject namin sa program namin para ma-enjoy ng mga customers po natin.
Hello, do you remember our lesson yesterday?
Pero ang online English teacher na si Ramona,
As I wake up thinking about you again.
ang Call Me Maybe, ginawa niya ng Taglish lyrics. Ginawa niyang Call Him Maybe.
I heard he's not feeling well. Just ask me why, I will tell. Basta you buy what I sell. Ang jowa mo ay gay. Your ex is wearing ripped jeans, boobs showing, hot king now screaming. Di na kayo magkaka-baby. Hey, I just told you. I know it's crazy, but here's his number. So call him maybe. Pakikinggan ko muna yung laging call me maybe. Pinakinggan ko muna siya. Tapos sabi ko, call me maybe, maybe. Pwedeng maybe as a name, call me maybe. So, sinimulan ko sa una. Tapos nabubuo na siya.
Ang mainam lang sa kantang ito, pwedeng gawing mas makabuluhan. Ang Department of Justice halimbawa, ipinaalam sa publiko ang kanilang programang IACA o Interagency Council Against Trafficking toll-free hotline to the tune of Call Me Maybe.
Lato tayo, we're out of time. Come on!
Just like you, this is crazy.
I-promote natin yung 1343 action line through a song, mob dance. So, yun yung ginawa namin and it was fun.
So bad, I miss you so bad.
Sa kanta, nakakatuwa ang pagbibigay ng telephone number sa mga estranghero. Pero tandaan natin na sa totoong buhay, delikado ito. Labis-labis ang pagsisisi ngayon ng 19 anyos na si Kevin. Nakipagkaibigan daw kasi siya sa isang lalaki habang gumigimik sa bar. Ibinigay niya dito ang kanyang telephone number, kaya ang kanilang unang pagkikita nasundan pa. Hanggang sa pangatlong beses nilang paglabas para mamasyal sa isang mall at kinailangan niyang gumamit ng comfort room, nagawa niyang ipagkatiwala sa lalaki ang kanyang bag. Paglabas niya ng CR, wala na ang lalaki, pati na ang kanyang mga gamit, wallet at ang pang-call me maybe pa naman niya sanang cellphone.
Minsan, hindi natin masasabi. Kung pagbibigay mo ng number, baka maging mitsa pa siya ng buhay mo. Buti nga, yun lang nangyari sa akin. Parang pinapasalamat ko pa sa Diyos na Yun lang ang nawala sa akin.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe.
Kaya, moral lesson of the story, bago makipag-call me maybe, ingat muna. Huwag magpadala sa matatamis na salita, sa kantaman o sa totoong buhay pa.
But here's my number, so call me maybe. Boy, you came into my life, I missed you so bad, I missed you so bad.
Mga sakit ng mga matatanda, umaatake na rin ngayon sa mga bata.
Kasi siyempre maawa ka. Nakahiga siya, maghapon siya nakahiga. Ay, ayoko mumata, ayoko mumata.